How's it going, everyone? In this video I'll show you how to loop YouTube videos on your phone. It's easy to do on the desktop. You just right click the video, then click loop. However, this feature is not available on the mobile app, so we have to use a workaround. Basically, we need to add the video to a playlist first, then loop the playlist. You can do this by going to the video you want to loop, click save, then tap change and you can add it to a new playlist. Deselect the automatically saved playlist and click new playlist. Name the playlist, then press create. To access the playlist, tap the library tab in the bottom right hand corner. Scroll down and select the playlist. Tap the video to play the song. Once it's playing, press the drop down arrow on the right next to the playlist numbers. Then click the loop icon and it should now be on repeat. There you go. It's a slight workaround but works if you like playing the same song on repeat. Feel free to hit the like button and subscribe with notifications if you want to see more videos. I'll see you in the next one.